Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Mr. Leslie. Now for today we're looking at the K53 Learners Road Rules and Observation Guide. Now remember, our exam comprises of 3 sections. That's vehicle control, then we also have road signs, then also you have traffic signs, then also you have road rules and observation. Now we have done the first two, and now we are looking at the last one, which is road rules and observation. So I hope you really like this, guys. If you have any questions on any of the things that we're going to be talking about, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be sure to help you. So this is a booklet. We are just starting out with this booklet, right? So this booklet has many questions, as you can see here, and I'll try to do some of them in this video, right? So in this video I'll do the 10, then in the next video I'll do another 10 until we finish all these questions. So you should be able to go and write after you have done all of these questions, guys. You need to know each and every one of these questions. So this booklet is like this. We have a question here, and the one in red is our answer. Okay, so in our last video we are looking at the road signs, right, and the traffic signs and signals. So we are done with that. We are done with that booklet. So if you are in this document, we are calling it the Pass on First Attempt K53 Study Pack. So you got your road rules and observation, which is this document. We got your questions and answers. Then you also have another document with your controls, with your vehicle controls for your code 10s or the people that wants to write for code 10. Then we also have the one on road signs and signals. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Remember to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Now our first question is the minimum distance that a vehicle must keep from another vehicle is option A. The 2-second rule must be kept in mind. Number 2, the vehicle must keep as close as possible to the vehicle in front of it. Option C, is it 5 meters per 100 kilometers per hour? Well, the correct answer is the minimum distance that a vehicle must keep from another vehicle is that the 2-second rule must be kept in mind. So our correct answer is A. Now moving on to number 2. A vehicle is only permitted to park outside an urban area for, is it 24 hours, is it 48 hours, or 7 days? Now a vehicle is only permitted to park outside an urban area for 2 days, 2 whole days, that is 48 hours. Okay, moving on to number 3. What is the gear lever used for? Option A, it is used to change lanes. B, it is used to choose the correct gear at the correct time. That's very correct, right? C, it is used to regulate the speed of the vehicle. That's incorrect. So the one that we use to regulate the speed of the vehicle, that's this accelerator, right? And so the one that we use to change gears is what we call the gear lever. So the gear lever you use to choose the correct gear at the correct time. So the correct answer there is B. Now let's move on to number 4. When encountering a light where the light is blinking red, you must, option A, stop and go only if it is safe to do so. B, stop and wait for the light to go green. C, be on the lookout for a roadblock as flashing lights indicate police ahead. Well, that's not correct, right? Here we are being told of a flashing light that is flashing red. So if you see a flashing light that is flashing red, is probably means that there is something wrong there. So obviously we can have traffic lights, right, or the robots, right? So the robot means that the robot is malfunctioning or is not working. So what we have at that point is that you need to stop and go if it is safe to do so. So you come to the intersection, right? If you see that the lights are blinking red, it means that there is probably something wrong with our robots and traffic lights. So at that point you have to stop and give the right way to traffic operation from your right and go if it is safe to do so. That is if there is no traffic operation from your right. Now moving on to number 5. Your vehicle lights should be on, option A, any time of the day when you cannot see persons or vehicle within 150 meters. B, from sunset to sunrise. C, when it rains and you cannot see 100 meters in front of you. So here we have to select the correct combination here. So is it 1 and 2, which is any time of the day when you cannot see persons or vehicle within 150 kilometers per hour. So what do you think, guys? I think they are all correct. Here you have to switch on your lights any time of the day when you cannot see a person or a vehicle within 150 meters away from you. Now this one is also true. It says from sunset to sunrise, right? That is the sun is going down, it's about to go dark, then it goes dark throughout the whole night until morning. Okay, so that basically means that at night you're supposed to have your vehicle lights on. Then when it rains and you cannot see 100 meters in front of you, that's an obvious reason to have your lights switched on. So probably the correct answer here is C, all of the above. Now let's move on to number 6. The driver of the vehicle cannot cross a road unless, option A, there is no traffic for a long time and it can be done without hindering other traffic. B, unless he makes sure he indicates in time. C, it can be done with force. So the driver of the vehicle cannot cross a road unless there is no traffic for a long time and it can be done without hindering other traffic. So this one is the correct answer, right? Option A. So do make sure that you get that one. Let's move on to number 7. You can, option A, stop your vehicle on the side road at night. Obviously that's very dangerous and I wouldn't advise that. Why? For many reasons, right? So probably your vehicle at night is not very visible. Okay, so your vehicle is not very visible, so you have to put on your park lights all the time each time you stop. And also with those park lights your vehicle is still not very visible, so parking at night is very dangerous and is not advisable. Option B, you can move your vehicle backwards as far as it is possible. That's very true. B, you can leave your vehicle running while fuel is being deposited. Well, this one is incorrect, right? Because at the fuel station we have to switch off our engine whilst we are fueling our car. Now let's move on to number 8. When can a driver of a vehicle be intoxicated, drunk, right, under the influence of the alcohol? Option A, when he feels like it. B, when it is a prescription medication containing alcohol. C, never. So remember the old saying, right? Don't drink and drive. So the correct answer there is never. You can never be intoxicated behind the steering wheel. Now move on to number 9. What is the accelerator used for? Option A, it is used to regulate the speed of the vehicle. That's very correct, right? Remember I talked about that during the earlier part of this video. B, it is used to turn the vehicle in an emergency. That's the use of a steering wheel there, so this one is incorrect. It is used to bring the vehicle to a standstill. That's the brakes, right? So the brakes are used to bring the vehicle to a standstill. Okay, so what is also used to maintain the vehicle in a standstill? That's the handbrake. So bringing the vehicle in a standstill, we use the brakes. To maintain the vehicle in a stationary position, we use the handbrakes. Now to our last question of the day. An exhaust silencer should, option A, make smoke and oil go through it. B, allow the engine to move faster. C, be fitted in such a way that noise and harmful gases are blocked. So an exhaust silencer should be fitted in such a way that noise and harmful gases are blocked. So that's our correct answer there. Well guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you gained a lot from this video, please do make sure that you give this video a like and leave us a comment in the comment section. So remember, we are talking about the K53 learners, road rules and observation complete guide. So we still have a lot more to go, a lot more questions to go. So please do make sure that you stay tuned for our next video. So thanks so much guys for watching. I'll see you later in the next video. Goodbye.